decided to come to Penn State because of the great opportunities that Penn State offers within human factors. And I knew I was passionate about human factors, so I wanted to pursue a doctoral degree in that. Penn State has human factors within psychology, computer science, information science and technology, but also within the industrial engineering program. And that's the program that interested me the most because of its relationship with manufacturing, my background, and mechanical engineering.
Ben got involved with us after working for 4 years at the Henkel Corporation as a mechanical engineer. And he got interested in human factors, human-computer interaction for graduate school. So we got in contact with him and through a set of conversations, we figured out that he was more interested in the cognitive side.
While being a student at Penn State, my advisor, Dr. Rothrock, and I, along with our other lab mates, have had the opportunity to work with industry directly, specifically the Abnormal Situation Management Consortium. I've had the opportunity to work with them directly to work on projects to improve the human-computer system.
The Abnormal Situation Management Consortium was formed in 1994 in an attempt to address problems in the distributed control system. So the technology dealing with safety, dealing with controls. And so its primary focus was on looking at how do we improve the working effectiveness and safety in those systems from a human factors perspective. Ben has been involved in a handful of projects with the consortium over the years. He's worked on projects related to the study of handheld devices for field operators. Recently, taking a look at the vigilance of operators at these control rooms.
So the research I've done with industry, within the domain of process control, within the domain of the refinery industry, I see that as completely applicable or transferable to other displays that humans interact with, so such as consumer electronics, your computer displays on your desktops. Everything is applicable in terms of managing the workload and managing how information is being presented and how humans perceive that information.
His dissertation here at Penn State was about essentially developing profiles of human mental workload and using eye tracking to do that. With the advent of new technologies in augmented as well as virtual reality, things like Oculus Rift and other technologies that are down the road, I think that Ben can apply his methodology so that you can gain a better awareness of operator workload.
In my research, I've been able to apply eye tracking to study human performance and how humans monitor in terms of their gaze behavior displays on computer screens, basically. And I've been able to learn from that how workload changes specifically, for example, how their levels of stress changes based on their eye movement, and how to better design displays to compensate that and alleviate some of the workload.
I think Ben's unique in that he is able to take problems from industry and solve them, and to apply the theoretical concepts and the constructs that he's learned in the classroom toward those solution techniques.
I plan to graduate this August 2016, and I'm going to Microsoft to be a design researcher and work with them within the Windows team and do various projects with them that are human factors related and more towards design.